It's your boy Kip Jackson, 20x20 gang. We're out here in the middle of nowhere. Skaneateles. Was already here before, but this is quite a view we got here. Very windy out here today, but we're going to Carpenter Falls. Big shout out to you guys. We made it. You know, now that I got you guys here and it's kind of dark, kind of scary, I want to ask you your biggest fear. Comment it down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. My biggest fear is going to a concert and not knowing the words to a song, but getting called up like you do. Hike's not too bad. Got about a third of a mile to go. Most of this trail is on this like dirt path here, but that fall down there is kind of steep, but this trail is kind of safe. Like honestly, one of the safest trails I've been on. And never mind. Actually, high-key dangerous. We're gonna go ahead and keep it going. There's people over there anyway. Now we finally made it. I would say it's worth the hike. Kind of loud, not too crowded. I got about 5-6 people here, but definitely recommend it. It's a sick view. Water's not too deep. Look, like my hand. It's about my hand length deep, but pretty cool. Climbing. Whew. If this wasn't here, we wouldn't have had a video today. That was Carpenter Falls. See you guys next time. Don't forget to smash that like button. Comment below your biggest fear or another waterfall you want to see me go to in the future. Till next time, best wishes to you guys.